Delays are not denials. Minsan, waiting season lang yan kasi may perfect timing si Lord. Hi everyone, this is Teacher Arnel and today I want to remind you of something we often forget. Trust God's timing. Alam mo ba, lahat tayo may gustong maabot sa buhay. May inaasam, may mga panalangin na gusto nating masagot. Pero minsan, parang ang tagal ni Lord sumagot, di ba? Yung tipong, Lord, kailan pa? Naiiwanan na yata ako. Pero my dear friend, God has His own clock for you. Hindi siya late, hindi rin siya advanced. He is always on time. Sabi nga sa Ecclesiastes 3:11, He has made everything beautiful in its time. Ang ganda nito kasi it reminds us na hindi lang basta darating ang sagot ni Lord. Darating ito sa tamang panahon at kapag dumating yon, magiging maganda at perfect ang timing. Minsan, nagmamadali kasi tayo. Gusto natin instant answers, instant results. Pero remember, delays are not denials. Yung waiting season mo, hindi yan sayang. It is God's preparation season. Naalala ko, may mga bagay din akong ipinalangin dati kay Lord na hindi agad dumating. Nakakapagod din maghintay guys, to be honest. Pero later on, na-realize ko, kung dumating agad, hindi ko siguro kayang i-handle. God was indeed preparing my heart, my character, at yung circumstances around me. So, my dear friend, kung feeling mo na late na si Lord sa'yo, I encourage you today, hold on, trust His timing. Because when God says yes, it will be more than what you prayed for. Remember this, God's clock is not your clock, but His time is always the best time. If this message encouraged you today, share it with someone else na naghihintay din kay Lord. And don't forget to like and follow for more faith talks. God bless you.